Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to be making pizza from scratch. Pizza dough, pizza sauce, and then pizzas. We're making a margherita and a pepperoni. So we're going to need 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of plain flour, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So we're using our kitchen mixer today. We're going to add the water, the yeast, the sugar, the salt, and 1 cup of flour. We're going to mix that for about 3 minutes. Next, we're going to add the other 2 cups of flour and that little bit of oil that we've got. We now need to mix for about 7 or 8 minutes. Now we've got a beautiful dough ready. Let's just pat it on the sides, make them form a nice ball. Then we're going to add this to a bowl. Touch of oil in the bowl. Place it in the center. Little dab or spray of oil on the top. And then minimum couple of hours, but overnight really is what you want. Bit of shrink wrap on the top. Then we're ready. So as you can see, we've got a lovely, elasticy, beautiful dough here. Let's make some pizza sauce. For this, we're going to need 1 can of plum tomatoes, 135 grams of tomato paste, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, nice quality, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes or chili powder, optional, I like a little kick, 4 cloves of garlic, and some salt and pepper to taste. Let's add the oil to the pan on a very low heat and add the garlic. We don't want to brown the garlic. Now we can add all the other spices in there, and we're going to cook that just for like 1 minute. Like I say, we're not trying to burn or brown the garlic. Simply add the tinned tomatoes, the tomato paste, and then on a nice low heat, let that go for about 20 or 30 minutes. And there we go, we've got a really nice, super homemade pizza sauce. So we've got pizza dough ready, we've got our sauce ready. Let's make a margherita. We've got enough dough here to make 2 pizzas in a 12-inch or 30-centi tin. Now my tin is non-stick. If your tin is not non-stick, add a little oil to it. What you can do, you can roll this out if you want, or you can press it as we're doing. You just press it out to the edges and it's done. Simply a bit of sauce, not too much sauce, just a little bit on there. Then we're going to add our mozzarella, we're going to add some fresh basil, and we're going to get this into your oven, maximum heat. Doesn't matter what oven you got, just get it as hot as you can. In it goes for 8 minutes, beautiful. Middle shelf, preheated oven, out she comes, a beautiful pizza. We're going to just finish this off, a little bit more fresh basil, and a little nice drizzle of a quality olive oil. Let's make a pepperoni. So it's the same process, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sauce. This time we're using a grated mozzarella. We're going to throw on it some pepperoni. We're going to put some onions. If you want, add some olives or whatever you like. Same process, super hot oven. In it goes, about 8 minutes. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love. Lots of love.